Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab H2D homing leveling failed error bed level and access calibration guide. Fix 1. Clean the nozzle and build plate. Heat the nozzle to your normal printing temperature and remove any filament stuck to the nozzle using tweezers or a brass brush. Now wipe the build plate to remove leftover filament, glue or other debris. Then start the leveling process again. Even a small blob of filament can prevent accurate probing. Fix 2. Check the build plate position. Remove the build plate and reinstall it. Make sure it sits flat against the magnetic bed and is fully aligned. Verify that the plate is not warped or installed backward. Retry the homing process. Fix 3. Remove any obstructions. Inspect the entire print chamber for loose filament pieces or failed prints. Check around the Z-axis lead screws under the build plate and behind the bed. Now remove anything that could prevent the bed from moving freely. Fix 4. Inspect the nozzle and hot end. Ensure the hot end is fully seated and locked in place. Verify the nozzle is straight and not bent and tighten any loose hot end locking mechanism if necessary. Fix 5. Perform manual bed tramming. If auto leveling continues to fail, open the printer's maintenance menu and follow the manual bed tramming procedure. Adjust the bed until all corners are properly aligned, then run auto bed leveling again after completing the adjustment. Fix 6. Check the motion system. Move the tool head and bed by hand with the printer powered off. Ensure both move smoothly without binding. Inspect the guide rails, belts, and lead screws for dirt or damage, and clean and lubricate the motion components if required. Fix 7. Run printer calibration. Open settings, then go to calibration on the printer. Run the full calibration sequence, and when it finishes successfully, try printing again. Fix 8. Restart and update firmware. Power off the printer for about 1 minute, then turn it back on and retry the leveling process. If a firmware update is available, install it before testing again. Fix 9. Contact Bambu Lab support. If the error persists after completing all the checks, there may be a fault with the leveling sensor, hot end assembly, or motion system. So collect the printer logs and contact Bambu Lab support for further diagnosis. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.